This brand new 1969 Chevelle is a build that is over 2 years in the making. That's why it's RM22. This incredible 1,000 horsepower machine was built from the ground up by RestoMods crew. Every little touch of this car was upgraded to the absolute maximum, and we could not be more proud to bring it to you guys. Now, if that's too much car for you, don't worry. The winner gets to choose between this or $100,000 in cash. So make your dreams come true today at RestoMods.com.